Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Question Deep Dive here at Science with Dani. Alright, where I help parents and students in their science learning journey towards that PSLE exam. Okay, so if this is the first time that you are here, why don't you click the subscribe button as well as don't forget the notification bell. Alright, so that you won't miss any of our future video. Good. Now, if you do not know who I am, my name is Dani Dawood. I am the content creator and teacher here at Science with Dani, where I help parents and students, all right, to improve in their science. Okay, so today in our question deep dive, we have got a question that comes from the topic energy, all right, and this time around is about conversion of energy. Okay, so let's not delay any longer. Let us straight away dive into the question. Right, okay. This question, it reads here, right? Caleb set up a circuit as shown below using, all right, a lemon, a nail, a pin, a light bulb, and some wires, all right? So the bulb lighted up, all right? So let's take a look at the diagram. Firstly, we've got this lemon here, all right? The significance of the lemon here is that the lemon is the source of energy. So if we go back to what we have learned about energy, all right, food is a source of energy. And what happened in the lemon, we are going to have chemical potential energy. All right. So this chemical potential energy in the lemon will then be transferred. Transferred to where? To the wires. And in the wires, we are going to have electrical energy. And that is the reason why, if we look at the light bulb, all right, the bulb lights up. Okay, all right, good. Now, so if I am going to move on to the question here, he says there, state the energy conversion of the above setup, all right, by filling in the boxes below. So what we need to do is that we need to write down the energy conversion. Okay, so when we were going through the diagram just now, we have already written out the different type or different forms of energy that you have at the different parts. All right, so in this case, what energy do we have in the lemon? It was chemical potential. All right, energy in the lemon. And then this was being converted to what energy in the wires? It was electrical. All right, and the electrical energy in the wires, all right, will flow through the light bulb, okay, heating up the tungsten, and it starts to glow. So there are two energies there, all right, that is simultaneously being produced or being converted to. They are light plus heat energy in the bulb. Okay, all right, good. So this is the reason why it is very important that each time whenever you have a diagram, all right, a diagram like that in your question, do study the diagram carefully, all right, write out what are the significance of the different parts of the diagram or of the setup. Okay, now let's move on. B, after some time, okay, the bulb became dimmer. So after some time, the bulb became dimmer. Explain why. All right. So if we use our daily life as an inference, all right, we know that if I'm going to use batteries, for example, after some time, the battery will be depleted. That means the amount of energy in the battery will be lesser, all right, over time. So here in this case, since the lemon is the source of energy, all right, so over time, the amount of energy in the lemon will be depleted. So it's going to get lesser. Once that energy is lesser in the lemon, then all the energy that will be converted to after that will also be lesser. And that's the reason why the light bulb glows dimmer. Okay, all right, because there's lesser energy that is in the circuit now. So how do I answer this then? So we will start from the energy in the lemon, which was the chemical potential energy, right? So let's write it out. So as the amount of chemical potential energy, all right, decreases, okay, over time, all right, will be converted to lesser amount of electrical energy, all right, energy in the wires. Full stop. Okay, so now we have talked about now the source of energy is getting lesser. So what happens after that? All right, as a result, comma, all right, the lesser amount of electrical energy in the wires, all right, will be converted to lesser amount of light and heat energy all right, in the bulb, comma, causing the bulb to glow dimmer. Okay, all right. So as you can see that, all right, this question here, okay, this will be your complete answer because it tells you about the energy conversion as well as due to the decrease in the source, all right, the initial energy, all the other energy in the chain of conversion will also be lesser. Okay, all right, good. So this question here is something that is not very, very difficult. It is very straightforward. It is more a question that is going to be asking you about the process. Okay, and in this question, the concept that you need to know is that energy can be converted from one form to another. All right, that is the main concept that they are testing you here. All right, and on top of that, if you know about the energy conversion, you'll realize that, all right, in the chain of energy conversion, if the initial energy decreases, then all the other energy in the chain will also decrease. All right, good. So thank you for sticking with me to the end of this question here. All right, so if it has been very helpful for you, all right, share it with your friends. Okay, tell them that, okay, we have got this channel on YouTube that is helping people with their science. All right, that is what I am trying to do at the moment. Okay, so don't forget, click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And until I see you again in the next question deep dive, all right, this is Science with Dani. I am Dani saying goodbye. Bye-bye.